Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's SolidWorks tutorial, I will be discussing about another simple way to go around with SolidWorks. You can stop and rewind the videos to understand fully. Please continue watching until end of the video so you can easily learn SolidWorks. And I appreciate your support to my YouTube channel. Let's get started. File and then new, and then a new solid documents template opens and use the parts. Okay, and then an open space of for sketching is open. Now we use the prompt, or it's the prompt. We can use the prompt as our to be sketch, and then choose sketch right there. And then let's do first the general system option properties. The units that we had to use is maybe inch, and then click OK. And then let's go to the center line, draw a line from here to here, and make sure that 1, 2, 3, that is an inch. And let's regenerate and save the current value. Now let's go put a line from here to here and to here and to here and to here. Let's put a dimension in it. It's 1 inch. And then let's put another one, that's 0.50, regenerate, and then save, and then 2.5 is the length. Okay, let's go and play this line, both line, and also here. So let's go 0.1, let's say 0.1, maybe 0.25, 25, or let's go 0.15, and also here and here. And get out of the sketch play. Okay. Now you see that it was a play. Now let's do the picture with the bolt. Okay. Now it's turned out to a small bolt. That is, the line is this one, which is automatically the SolidWorks pick it up when it's blind at 360 degrees, and then click OK. Now you see that it was roughly been made in SolidWorks. So let's do a jumper on this line. Let's do it as 0.15. Yeah, maybe 10. Unit is an inch, and click OK. Now it seems that it's good now. And then let's go insert a picture of a thread The first, the location of the thread will be here, and then the cut will be increased, let's say 15 or 25. 25 is good. And let's do it the spec to be extrude thread. Maybe cut on thread. Now it's been cut. So it was cut on the right stop. Now let's do a sketch on this side. Let's do the first the rebuild and then save. Let's do the saving at 171, exercise 171 on the part, and save. And then let's do the sketch on here, so it's in front of us already. Okay, let's do a center line from here to here, and also here. Okay, then offset on both of them by directional. That is 0.25. So let's do it only at 10, 20, or 15. That's the one. And also here. Okay. And say okay. And let's do another line, putting a line on this side and a line on this side, and then I wanted to mirror this one on the other side. So the entities to mirror is this one and this one, and to be copied to be mirror on this side, the mirror to about is this one, and let's add this one, and then click OK. Then I want this one also to be transferred on the other side to be copied, so you use the mirror entities again, this one, and this one. To be mirror is this one. So click OK. Now we have to cut it out, this one and this one. Let's remove all the red. So there's nothing here. Then we'll remove this one, and this one. Let's put okay, 50 from here to here. It's 130, 129 is good. And this one to here, 122. It's good. I will not remove it anymore. And this one to here, and this one to here. That's the one. Okay. I just want to extrude cut on this part on the on the on the solid, so it will be cut. This one is the select contours, so it will be selecting that one at, let's say, 10 or 15, 0.15 in inches. So let's cut it. So it's now been cut. Very nicely. And let's do the sketch edit of the bolt. I want it to be more, let's say, 0.18 inches to build. The same, or let's 0.19. Oops. 0.19 in inches and rebuild, and point rebuild. Yeah, more rounded. I want it to be more rounded, so it show that it is rounded all throughout. Let's do the color. Let's put a color on it. Light. Let's do the miscellaneous metal. That is silver. So it's a polished silver. Okay. Now it's been done. I found out that some of you are not subscribed yet. Please subscribe now so you can gain more knowledge about SolidWorks, and I appreciate your kind support to my YouTube channel. I hope you like my videos, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, share, likes, and comments below, and I appreciate your support to my channel. Okay. Let's do